Hello everybody, we the students of Bengal Engineering and Science University Shibpur are going to demonstrate our project for the TI India Analog Design Contest 2011. Our project deals with wireless home security using GSM module. Reports show that burglaries mainly occur when no one is present at home. Our project aims to bolster home and office security in such circumstances when the home is entirely empty. Our proposed security system will confine the burglar inside the apartment and simultaneously inform the owner of the house as well as nearby police station so that they can take necessary action. Now we will begin the demonstration of our project. First of all, we will show the individual components of our system. This is the signal conditioning circuit. This consists of the sensor network, and to this circuit the piezoelectric sensors are attached. These are basically pressure sensors, and these two sensors are multiplexed for better performance. On applying pressure on this sensor, the sensor network generates a voltage corresponding to logic 0 at the buffer input. On the rear side, we can see that there are 3 chips attached. The switch provides pulsed voltage to other components, leading to less power consumption. The PMC or the power management chip provides a stable 3.3 volt to bias the microcontroller, and this also serves to power the sensor network and the buffer. And we have also included a buffer in our design to eliminate loading effect due to mismatch impedance between sensor network and the microcontroller, and it also provides protection against noise. Now this is the MSP430 FG4618 development board, which will process the sensor data and send AT command to the GSM module. This is the GSM module, which is the main communicator in our system. It will communicate with the house owner via automatic calls and SMS. This is the prototype of our door, which will be used in our demonstration of our project, and this is the motor. Along with it, the shutter is attached, which will be closed across the door if any unwanted intrusion occurs. Now we will begin the demonstration of the real-time response of our system. Now as we can see, here are 2 pressure sensors located at the base of this door. Practically these 2 would be placed under a carpet, but for our demonstration we had kept it open. And similar other pressure sensor will be also kept at the base of every other doors and window, so that if the burglar enters the house through any of these windows and doors, he can be easily detected. Now let us assume that the door is locked and nobody is present in the home, and now a burglar manages to break the lock of this door and enters the house. Now as the burglar steps on the pressure sensor, the sensor through the signal conditioning circuit sends a signal to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller immediately closes the shutter down on this door, and simultaneously the microcontroller also sends a message to the owner's mobile, which reads intrusion alert, take action, intrusion alert. Also we can see that the GSM module, that is the security phone, makes an automated call to the house owner to make him even more alert. Thus the owner will be always warned of the intrusion, and now he can take his necessary steps, like he can inform the police so that they can reach home in time to catch the thief. Now the thief cannot escape from the house, as shutters are closed across all the doors and windows, as these are not manually openable. Now when the owner returns home along with the police, he also cannot open the shutter manually from outside. He needs to send a particular SMS to the GSM module. In this case, the owner sends an SMS, open shutter, password logic 279. Now if this SMS matches with that stored in the microcontroller, Then the microcontroller signals the motor to open the shutter. And now the police can easily catch the thief and thus prevent huge loss to personal property. Now this is the final home security system which we have designed, which is wireless and uses the GSM model for communication. Now our security system is innovative in the following ways. Now the owner of the house just needs to carry a cell phone, which is nowadays very common electronic gadget for all classes of people. Also, if he loses his cell phone and gets a new number, then he does not need to buy the entire security system. Just a simple change in the software will allow him to get the same alerts as he used to get before. Since the system is totally inside the house, the burglar will have no opportunity to damage the system before getting detected. Another advantage is that in the sensor network, the potentiometer is manually controllable by the user, by which he can vary the output voltage level of the sensor network and thereby reduce the probability of false signal generation. Also, the system is power efficient as it uses pulsating power created by the switch from the battery. Moreover, here in our prototype of our project, we have used the MSP430 FG4618 development board, but in actual circuit, only the microcontroller is enough for our system to work. So the cost of our system will be lesser. And also, one of the major advantages is that our system uses the existing GSM communication network, and thus we do not have to create our own communication protocols and networks, and hence our system is quite efficient and also very low cost.